Hello guys, let's see how we can download Ollama and run some LLM models on our local. Let's type in Ollama, and the first one would be the ollama.com. Yeah, from here you can see based on your operating system that you are accessing it, it will automatically define the best possible script that you can run to install. Either you go with the script or else you can go for download options. And in here you can see multiple options for different OSs. You can go with either of them. Either you go with the shell command or scripts based on the operating system, or you can go for the download binary. Once you click that, the download will start beginning. Since I have already downloaded, let's cancel this out and then click on open file, and let's click on install. Yeah, the Ollama has been installed and the application has been launched. Let's maximize this. And this is just if you have heard of AI and other agents related, you might already know about the OpenClaw, Claude, and CloudX. This is another set of agentic tools that we can utilize the Ollama. So just right now, let's focus on the initial chat feature. As you can see in the select models options, you can have various models that you can download, and also some of them you can access it directly from the cloud. For accessing the cloud models, you need to sign into the Ollama. For this demo, we're going to install Llama 4 E2B. Let's just select that. Since it's a 2 billion parameter model, just run the prompt. So this will initiate the model to get downloaded. A 2 billion parameter model is around 6.7 GB. So let's just wait for it to download. By the time of this recording this video, this Gamma 4 E2B model was just launched a week back by Google, and it's completely free and open sourced. Yeah, it's a thinking model. Who created you? Yeah, by the way, let me show you the resource utilization, just so you know that we are not triggering any APIs, and it's completely running on our local. Okay, yeah, let's see. See that GPU utilization. Tell me more about Llama and their it's cool. See, everything is running in the model. Once the model has started responding, it does spike it up in the GPU, and then once it is stopped, you can see the spike is going down. Yeah, there is already an update. Let's do that after this. So basically, this is what it is right now, and we can also download. There are lots of other models that we can download, but at the same time, if you go to the Ollama and then go to models, you can see there are different models available. Some of them are cloud, some of them are embedding models. So all of these are embedding models and vision models. Vision models basically means you can pass some image data like that, and they can analyze and they can provide outputs based on that. And tool models. Tool models basically utilize in most of the agentic tools. So these are capable of using different tools that you pass them to those models. Yeah, and then another type is thinking models. The thinking models is basically how before they start even responding back to you, they think through like what you have asked, how they would answer, the intent behind it, all of this before they start prompting you the response for your questions. Yeah. So for example, if you want to download some Llama 3 we have downloaded. If you want to do Quen 3.5, you can use this command in the command prompt, or you can open this, find here, there is already one, and then click download, and you start typing, and then it will download automatically. Yeah, so this is how the initial version, how to install and start using the Ollama on your local. In the future we'll do more about the benchmarking of these models as well. Yeah, thank you for watching.